Stop, if you are thinking about buying Cynema AI, you need to see this first, because what I'm about to show you might completely destroy the way videos are created in 2026. What if I told you, you can create Hollywood-level 4K cinematic videos in just 60 seconds, without editing, without skills, and without paying $100 plus every month? Sounds fake, right? Well, I thought the same, until I tested Cynema AI, and what I found shocked me. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a complete honest review of Cynema AI, show you what it actually does, who should use it, and whether it's worth your money or just another overhyped AI tool. And yes, I've also prepared some exclusive bonuses worth over $5,000 plus that will literally help you turn this into a money-making machine. You can grab only through my link. These are not junk bonuses, these are real systems. What is Cynema AI? Cynema AI is a multimodal AI video command center that combines 50+ elite AI models like Sora 2, Kling 2.1, and more into one dashboard. Instead of using 10 different tools, this does everything for you: script, scene creation, animation and rendering. All in under 60 seconds. You literally just type a keyword or upload an image, and boom, your cinematic video is ready. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why people are going crazy about this. No monthly fees, one-time price, saves up to $4,000 plus yearly on tools, no editing skills required, create viral content for YouTube, TikTok, ads and start a video agency and charge $500 plus per client. And the biggest thing? It removes the biggest pain: complex editing, expensive tools and slow production. Inside Cynema AI, you're getting 50+ AI engines auto-selected for best results, text-to-video plus image-to-video generator, AI scriptwriter, creates viral scripts. Object remover plus background editor, cinematic 4K rendering and commercial license, sell videos and keep 100% profit. Plus, cloud-based system, no heavy PC needed and 60-second rendering speed. This is basically like having a full video production studio in your browser. Now let's be real, here are the pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly, saves insane time, all in one system, cheap compared to competitors and commercial license included. Cons: requires internet, cloud-based, results depend on your prompts and not 100% perfect like human editing, yet. But honestly, for this price, it's kind of a no-brainer. What results can you expect? You can create YouTube automation videos, TikTok, Reels content, client videos for $100 to $500 each, product ads and promos. But let's be clear, this is a tool, not magic. You still need to take action. Now this is where things get crazy. If you buy through my link, you get these bonuses. Bonus 1: Cynema AI live event, value $997. Learn the exact system used to generate 6 figures in 60 days. This alone can change your income game. Bonus 2: Cynema AI 1K Payday, value $1,297. Step-by-step blueprint to build a profitable online business, traffic plus funnels plus scaling strategies included. Bonus 3 to 26 in 1 software tools, value $1,497. Your complete digital toolkit for traffic, leads, automation and sales. Bonus 4 image sharing profits, value $1,297. Turn social media posting into real income streams. Bonus 5 traffic booster, value $1,109. Learn how to drive massive traffic from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Total bonus value $5,000 plus. Yours free if you grab it today. So, is Cynema AI worth it? If you want fast video creation, no monthly fees, AI automation or start a side income with videos, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Especially with the 30-day money-back guarantee, you literally have nothing to lose. So if you're even thinking about it, click the link in the description. Grab Cynema AI and lock in all my bonuses before they expire. Because once it's gone, it's gone. This could be the tool that gives you an unfair advantage in 2026. The question is, will you use it, or watch others profit from it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next review.